Bitcoin has surprised us in many ways. It was shocking to see how much the price increased in value for those who missed their buying opportunity. Others came in late and bought it at very expensive levels. And some are unsure about entering the market and how to, so they never get started. This course addresses all these situations. Hello everyone, this is Petko Alexandrov, a professional trader and investor with over 10 years of experience on the market. In this course, I've taken complicated concepts and made them simple and suitable for even complete beginners. The course will change your trading and investing. I will share with you the straightforward strategy that I have been using for Bitcoin and that worked very well for me for the last 3 years while the Bitcoin price went to $20,000, then it dropped below $3,000, then it increased to over $13,000 and dropped again below the $4,000 mark. In 2021, the price crested at over $64,000 and lost over 50% of its value after that. The strategy that I will teach you worked well during all these periods and I will show it to you. And why did I call it the simplest Bitcoin trading strategy? Because it is simple indeed. I am sure many of you will be like, really? This works? Can't be that simple. Well, what I can tell you is that it does. Not only will I show you the performance of the strategy, but I will demonstrate it to you while I'm recording the course. This way it will be easy for you to decide whether you want to use it for your trading or investing. But I'm positive you will love using it. And why do I say trading and investing? Because the strategy is suitable for traders and investors. So whether you want to open trades for a few hours or a day and then close them, or you want to invest in Bitcoin for the long term, this simple strategy will help you out in both cases. Best of all, I will include the robot for this strategy and I will show you how to use it. This way you will implement the strategy even if you are not in front of your screen or your phone. The robot will open and close the trades for you and you will be involved in algorithmic trading, which is my specialty. And if you are a complete beginner, there is no need to worry. I will help you to get started. I will share with you which platforms are suitable, where you can use the strategy, and the trustworthy exchanges and brokers. And for the more experienced traders and investors, you will almost certainly learn something new. A very simple strategy that you could combine with anything advanced you have been using. I'm sure you will be surprised. So do not hesitate to take the course and test the strategy. And if for any reason you decide that this is not the right Bitcoin strategy for you, you can take advantage of the 30-day money-back guarantee that we offer. I hope you enjoyed the course, and should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask me. So if you're ready, let's go for it.